Welcome to Daily New Drawings. Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily New Drawings channel. In this video, we are going to draw and color Peppa and Suzy sharing their plush toys. Let's start drawing. First, I am going to draw Suzy the sheep. I start drawing with her eyes. Then I draw her mouth. And a circle for her cheek. And the shape of her head. I draw her ears, her body, her two arms. She is wearing strip shirt on her body. She's holding her favorite stuffed toy, an owl. Now let's draw Peppa Pig. I draw her eyes, then her nose, and the shape of her head. Now I draw her mouth. And a circle for her cheek. I draw her ears. I draw her body. And her arms. She's holding her stuffed animal in her hand. They are about to exchange toys. Very nice. Finally, I draw a big heart on them. Good job! Now I am using this black marker to make them more beautiful and lovely. Let's start coloring. I color Suzy. I use pink marker for her nose. And the mouth, I use 2 different shades of red. Then I color every second strip of her shirt with red. For her owl, I use this marker. I color her eyes with blue, beak orange, and her legs yellow. Amazing! Now I color Peppa Pig. I use this pink marker for her skin. Then I use light purple for her cheek. For her mouth, I use 2 different shades of red. For shirt, pink. Teddy with this brown. Finally, I color the heart with red. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video!